Hi, this tutorial is to show you how to start writing your first PHP code. In order for you to write PHP code, there is a need for you to understand the basic syntax of writing PHP. To start writing PHP code, you must begin with an opening tag, which is denoted by a less than symbol followed by a question mark and then the word PHP. And it should be closed with a closing tag that is denoted by a question mark followed by a more than symbol. And it is always advisable to comment your codes so that everyone would understand the code by reading the comments. You can start your comment by using the symbol slash followed by asterisk, and you may close your comment by using the symbol asterisk followed by slash. I will now show you how you write your PHP codes using brackets, and make sure you have turned on your server. Okay, now I have opened my brackets. I'm going to set up the folder I need to use for me to do my PHP project. So what I need to do now is that I need to go to File, Open Folder, refer to the folder that I have created on my server, which is okay. I have installed my server into this C drive under the folder called XAMPP, and you must make sure that your project folder is inside of the htdocs folder. This is where we will be running our website on the server. So let's say now I select my project folder, and the next thing is that I need to set up my brackets so that as when I press on the preview button, it will open up the server for me to see how my page looks like. As you know earlier, PHP is actually what we call a server-side scripting. That means you need to run it on a server to see what you get. So what I do is that I need to go to File, under Project Settings, make sure that the location of your server is being put here. By default, if you install XAMPP on your computer, the name of your server is called localhost. That's why you need to put in the address here as http://localhost/ followed by the folder that you are going to test. Just now what I have shown you is that I have created a folder called php_project. That's why now I have to put in the name over here, so that as when I press the preview, it will go straight to my server and look for this folder called php_project. Now, to start to show you how do you actually create a PHP code, what I will do is that I will use the template file that I have built here to show you how I can create a page by and then add some PHP code into it. So the template file that I have done here is actually a HTML. So what I will do is that I will just open up this file and then save it as a file name with the extension PHP. So .php. Let us refresh and see what happened? Now we have PHP file here. So this is our PHP file. Now I will show you how do we do our first PHP code, which is to display the word hello on the page. For example, let's say I want to put in the word hello right before welcome. What I do is that inside here I can actually put in the PHP code. Yes, we can actually mix HTML and PHP together. So let's say, for example, to start PHP code, I have to start off with the opening PHP, and then I must close it with the closing. Now, in between here, then only put in our codes. But it's also best that we put in comments so that people will know what this code is meant for. This is how we open a comment. So let's say I will just write to display the word hello. And I close my comment. So now, how do we actually display the word hello using PHP? We can do so by using the command call echo followed by the word that you want to display. After that, close your code and you save your file. After that, you just press on this what you call live preview button, and you will see how your page will look like. This is how it looks like on the screen. So let's get back here to our brackets. I will show you how we can actually create HTML content using PHP. What you can do is that actually there are two ways of doing it. One is that you put in the HTML code within the echo or put it outside. Example, let's say if I put it inside now. So this is heading 1. So when I change this and I save my file and you preview, the hello will become heading 1. So let's say save and preview. This is how the word hello becomes now. So this is to show you how we can actually use PHP to generate HTML content. Next, I will show you the other way of generating this HTML content in PHP. So let's change our code now. Instead of putting h1 over here, what I will do is that I will put a h1 right before I start my PHP code, and cut, paste here, and I will save my file and preview again. When you preview, the result is still the same. You still get heading 1 for the word hello. So that's how we can actually create content using PHP. So I hope you enjoy your first experience in using PHP to generate content on your page. I will show you more about PHP in the next tutorial. Thank you.